And now, the very first time, ladies and gentlemen, on Top of the Pops, we have a group here all the way from Dutch Holland, you see. And how about that then? And it's they're number one in America, they're top of the Dutch hit parades and all. And here they are. They're called Shocking Blue.
She's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire. She's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire. She's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire at your desire.
Shocking Blue is the name of the group, and Venus was the title of the record, and that's the very first time we've had a Dutch group on Top of the Pops, and how about that there then?